Marching for change, thousands of people took to the streets of Taipei on Labor Day to demand better insurance and retirement benefits so they can provide for themselves and their families in later life. These groups, from sanitation workers to telecom employees to migrant caregivers, all face their own challenges at work. But at this march, they're uniting in hopes the government will hear their calls for a peaceful retirement after decades of hard work. And they want to make sure legislators know that any benefits should be distributed equally.
我们认为到台湾工作，我们应该要一视同仁，不能有国籍的一个歧视。所以，我们今天的5.1诉求特别针对家事服务业，不管是本国人或者是移工，都应该一体适用劳退新制，甚至应该要把它纳入社会安全、社会保险的一个体系。
There are around 800,000 migrant workers in Taiwan, mostly from Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. They work in jobs like caregiving, manufacturing, and fishing, helping Taiwan's industries amid a labor shortage due to a rapidly aging population. But they're also a vulnerable group, facing high broker fees and even issues based on the type of work they do.
Kami pekerja migran rumah tangga.
Domestic caregivers are also making contributions to society, but protections like their labor insurance are only given to regular workers, while domestic caregivers are generally not considered a typical worker.
Migrant workers call for action throughout the year, and one longtime advocate says change is coming, especially with pressure from international watchdogs and foreign governments to keep Taiwan's labor practices clean.
Currently, we see there are some new promises. So actually we hope, we welcome this kind of positive intervention from foreign governments or foreign brands. And we need them to push Taiwan further to really eradicate forced labor.
But from the turnout of the march in Taipei, it's clear that people here are putting pressure on the government too.
And they're hoping that as Taiwan relies more and more on migrant labor to fill unwanted jobs and take care of the elderly, they can use this momentum to improve conditions for all who work and live here. Hsueh, Yuan, Tuan, and Tiffany Wong in Taipei for TaiwanPlus.